always an opportunity to meet you and to connect with you. My name is Ibrahim Mustafa, and in this video, I'm going to talk about YouTube and how you can just sit at home without showing your face like I'm doing, and you re-upload your videos, YouTube videos, to make money. So if you are new to my channel, like, subscribe. If you have questions, ask me some questions, and I'm going to give you an opportunity at the last ending part of this video. So let's go straight, because I don't want to waste your time. If you look at my screen, you will get the opportunity to see that these are like top 10 luxury cars. So this is just like cars that people just compile videos and they push those cars out. Like, they don't need to own the cars, they just need to go onto websites and YouTube itself pick videos, match them, and they show top 10. And there are different niches that you can do this. You can do cars, you can do technology, you can do meditation, a meditation niche. You can do sports, meditation. Let me go to meditation. Meditation for sleep. You can look at that. So there are like videos that you can just re-upload in this niche like this, and you are good to go. You can re-upload and you make money on YouTube. So there are a lot of niches, and you need to just re-upload. But then you can use OpenSoft video editor. I use this to edit all my videos. Sometimes you can use Adobe Premiere, but I use this because this is more compatible with my laptop. Then what you need to do is first thing first, before you re-upload any video. So what you do is that you just download these videos and you re-upload them. So let me teach you how to do that. So when you go to meditation videos, just type in meditation, your niche. But then you want to find out which videos are Creative Commons. So Creative Commons simply means that these videos you can re-upload them, change your thumbnail, and also change your tags and re-upload them. So when you search for whatever you search for, go to filters, go to Creative Commons, and now boom, they are showing you the videos you can re-upload. So I can download this and re-upload this online. I can download all these videos here and re-upload them and resell them on YouTube without any copyright or anything, because they've given you the chance to do that. So number one, you can do that. So, and you can pretty much search for maybe sports. Maybe let me see, soccer. I'm going to look for soccer. You can see, and like 13, just sister, why is this like showing videos? But simulating skills in football. Look, you can compile this, very nice, and you put them online. So you go to soccer, you go to like Creative Commons. You can see, and you have videos that you can football warm up, like funny videos that you can re-upload and make money. In any case, all the videos don't belong to these people. They just went online and they picked these videos and they merged them together and they are sharing online. So you can equally go on YouTube, download videos, bring them together, and share to your audience. You can search for skills, merge them, and boom, you are good to go. So this is how you can do this. If you also want, there are different ways you can do this. If you also want to do the hard work a little, you download the videos, you go to Pixabay and you download videos. Just go to pixabay.com, search for videos. I'm going to do the meditation niche, meditation videos, and you can get like all these videos, you can merge them together and you can create meditation for sleep video. You can do like 3 hours video, you can do 10, and you can do that. So it's another way you can use this. Go to YouTube, you can search for YouTube, go to YouTube creator. Go to YouTube studio, and you can go to the YouTube library and you get music, copyright free music, audio library. There are a lot of songs here. Just download any of them and you merge them to your videos and you are sharing. So these are many ways that you can share and make money just on YouTube by sharing videos, uploading videos, and creating opportunity for you. So learn more, learn the niche that you want. You can also go to Fiverr, and that's what most people don't want to teach you. You can go to Fiverr, type in your niche, meditation, videos, and some people will create meditation videos for you. So look at that. You can see I will create YouTube channel 30 relaxing meditation videos, music videos for you. So if someone can take $40 and create 30 channel videos for you, you are way more advanced and you can do more with this video. So thank you very much. I believe in you and I believe you can do more. So let's keep in touch. Keep following me for more, and I'm going to teach you more things. Thank you.